would you say your leadership style is? I think that would help set the context a lot. Like, for example, when I think about my leadership style, I like to think of myself as a lighthouse because I like helping people. So
Hmm.
I would say my style is to be a lighthouse and guide people, show them the way, nurture them, not give them the answer directly, but help them find it by themselves.
Hmm.
So, what would you say your leadership style is? What metaphor would you use?
Multiple metaphors have shaped me.
Right.
I mean, especially in the coaching space. Even recently, I brought out a series on coach narratives called The Lamp, Ladder, and Lifeboat. They
Yes,
are very
yes.
important metaphors when it comes to my coaching journey. But overall, when I look at metaphors that I used quite often to define me is flow and dance.
Okay.
So that's a metaphor that I often refer to because you need to have a continuity, you need to have a flow. You should it's not about doing something in isolation. How is it connecting the dots, right? So for me,
Right.
the metaphor of flow, a metaphor of dancer, has always been has guided my thinking as well. So if let's say I'm coaching a leader, it's not about one that particular challenge. It's not addressing the symptom. It's about, what, it's about the relatedness of that symptom, right? It's not just
Right.
about fixing. Let's say I am not good in conflict management. I avoid conflict, let's say a leader says. But for me, it's the way I approach it, would the metaphor of flow and dance especially,
Right.
is it guides my thinking, it guides my process, what to ask them next, so that it will help
Right.
them to understand where this problem originated, why am I facing it now, and how does it impact me in different aspects when I don't fix it, and do I need to fix it? So all of this needs flow and continuity, so for which dance is a metaphor for me, like how
Right.
a dancer has to create that flow, right? So that's a strong
Right.
metaphor that guides my thinking, my questions, and also the way it helps me to bring out the best in others, and as well as for me to connect with others better. So flow is something, and
Right.
dance is something, as a metaphor that for me, it is a very strong, strong way forward.